If you want to know how to trim a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two super easy methods you can use on desktop for free. Click and drag for trimming the start or end of a clip, and split and delete for removing a section from the middle. These are the basic editing skills that make your videos cleaner, tighter, and much more professional. So if you're brand new to CapCut, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to trim clips quickly and confidently. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step editing tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your desktop and load the project you want to edit. Once your video is imported, you'll see it placed on the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the editing happens, so this is where you'll be making your trims. Now let's start with method 1, which is click and drag. This is the best method when you want to shorten the beginning or the end of a clip. It's fast, simple, and perfect for cutting out unwanted pauses, extra footage, or the part of the video where nothing important is happening. To do this, first click on your video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. Once it's highlighted, move your mouse cursor to the very beginning of the clip if you want to trim the start, or to the very end if you want to trim the finish. When your cursor reaches the edge, it should change into a two-way arrow icon. That's how you know you're in trim mode. Next, click and hold that edge, then drag it inward to remove the footage you don't want. If you're trimming the start, drag the left edge to the right. If you're trimming the end, drag the right edge to the left. As you drag, you'll see the clip getting shorter in real time. Once it looks right, release your mouse to finalize the trim. This method is great because it keeps your edit clean and doesn't require extra cutting steps. It's also one of the easiest ways to quickly tighten up a video before exporting it. If you only need to remove a few seconds from the beginning or end, this is usually the fastest option. Now let's move on to method 2, which is split and delete. This is the best method when you want to remove something from the middle of a video, like a mistake, a long pause, a bad take, or any section you don't want viewers to see. To begin, move the playhead to the exact spot where you want the cut to start. The playhead is the vertical line in your timeline, and you can click and drag it until it lands exactly where you need it. Take your time here, because the more accurate you are, the cleaner your edit will be. Once the playhead is in the right place, click the split icon on the toolbar above the timeline. In many cases, it looks like two overlapping brackets. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. That will split the clip at the playhead position. Now, move the playhead to the point where the unwanted section ends. Again, place it carefully so you only remove the part you don't need. Then split the clip one more time using the same button or shortcut. At this point, the unwanted section should be isolated in the middle between the two cuts. Click directly on that middle segment so it becomes selected. Then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. CapCut will remove that section, and the clips on either side will stay in place. This is the best method when you need more control over your edits. It lets you remove specific parts without affecting the rest of the video. It's especially useful for talking head videos, tutorials, reaction videos, and any content where you want to cut out silence or mistakes. A quick tip: after trimming or splitting, always play your timeline back from a little before the cut to make sure everything flows naturally. Sometimes, you may want to trim a little more so the edit feels smoother. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your final video looks. And that's it. Now you know how to trim a video in CapCut on desktop for free, using both the click and drag method and the split and delete method. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.